Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be focused on IQSTEL stocks, or we can say IQST stocks. So in this video we are talking about its share prices, analysis, news, updates and other things about the stock and the company. So today's video is very important, informative. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for first time, please subscribe our channel and also press bell icon for future update. The IQST, it was one of the trading at 0. It was one of the stock that we covered in our recent videos, and as this was the biggest one in terms of revenue, we thought let us look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lot of interesting plan for the future. They want to grow their business significantly in different ways that they want to achieve it. The IQST was trading at 0.73 US dollar with a negativity of 16%. So I ended the video. Thanks for watching it.